thank you so much for subscribing if you have already subscribed and अगर अभी आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो डू कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग इन केस यू लाइक द कंटेंट। सो जैसा कि मैंने पोस्ट डाला था और उस पर एक फॉलोअर या मेरे फ्रेंड की रिक्वेस्ट थी कि जो स्टूडेंट वर्क का अपार्टमेंट होता है उसको बुक करने के लिए जो फॉर्म होता है उसका क्या प्रोसेस है, आप वो बताओ। तो मैं सीधे पैडरबॉर्न वाला दिखाऊंगा सिंस आई एम एट पैडरबॉर्न। तो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट वर्क जो पैडरबॉर्न का है उसमें ऐसे करके आपको वेबसाइट पे जाना है, उसके बाद हाउसिंग पे जाना है। हाउसिंग पे जाने के बाद वो यहाँ पे आपको बताएंगे उनकी डिटेल्स एंड इसके अलावा जो उनके अलग अलग ऑफ़र्स होते हैं। यहाँ पे 4 टाइप के अकोमोडेशन है, एक्चुअली लाइक 5 है, तो 5 भी नहीं 6 हैं, इसके अलावा 2 और हैं। तो peter-hille-weg 11, peter-hille-weg 13, Vogelius-Weg, Ulandstraße, इसके अलावा अलॉइस वॉइस करके है एक, और इसके अलावा मर्सिनवेग करके एक है। तो यहाँ पे इतनी जगह एलोकेशन होता है। एलोकेशन फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस पे होता है। तो अगर आप आ रहे हैं so try to fill this form as soon as possible, and after filling this form what you can do is go ahead on this link and you will reach here. After reaching here, what you can do is simply click on housing application. Based on housing application, you can choose whichever part of the university you want to be part of. So like you want to live in Ham, Lipstadt or Paderborn. These all are handled by this Studierendenwerk Paderborn. So I am selecting Paderborn right now. So in Paderborn you will get these options of the kind of apartments you can rent. So if I translate these using Google Translate, I'll send a screenshot in the video as well. So these turn out to be, just a second. So this is basically like double apartment is shared by 2, then single apartment. Klein means single apartment for small, and single apartment a medium. Small means it will be around 13 square meter, and then medium will be something else like little bigger, and then single apartment, single room but in a shared apartment of 2 people. Then single room in shared apartment of like a group cooke means you will be having a group kitchen, and then a single room in a bigger shared apartment kind of thing is Zimmer in WG. We call it Wege. So suppose I choose, for since I am singly living, so I am choosing these 2 options. So available choices of our student residence. Based on the selection from here, they give you options here. So these are the places where they have the single apartment, small and medium size. So I choose peter-hille-weg 11. I can choose only one. So I am choosing peter-hille-weg 11. You can choose peter-hille-weg 13, Vogelius-Weg, any of these. So after selection, what you can do is university, your university, Uni Paderborn suppose. So these were the universities of which students can live here. Then you are in which semester? Suppose you are coming in winter semester. So yes. So they fill the date automatically. If you are in different semester, you can fill the details differently. Done. Then maximum amount of rent. So before filling that, what you can do is go here, click on housing, click here, and check the kind of rents they have. So they are telling about the number of rooms. You can see the room qualities, furnishing what they give, mobility, then internet and TV. Then these are the details of the janitors and everything. So basically the rent is around 340 for this. I cannot find, yeah, housing option and prices. So these are the kind of rents. So if you're okay paying this much rent, then go for it. You can write something similar like 340 is the rent, so I'm still okay paying 350. I cannot move ahead with 350, I can say, and still they will offer you, if they have little expensive room, they will offer you. Fill in your personal details, and post filling those personal details, you can fill your home address, that is whichever country you are in, you can fill that address. Post that, simply put this address if you know any place where you will be living like temporarily, or else keep it empty. Hence, if you want to say something like extra comments, put it, and here put the security code, confirm and send. Based on the email ID which you give here, they will be connecting with you, and they will tell you, in case if you have some special needs, you can tell them, and in the comments also you can mention those details and send. After sending this, you will receive an email which say please confirm. Then there is a small button there, you have to click on that, and then you will receive another email that yes, it has been confirmed. Once it is confirmed, then you are in the list. If you don't click on that particular button in the application, you will not be considered, and your application will be in like a bin, so it does not matter. So please confirm there, and after doing that, as soon as you get any options, you'll get offer from them in the mail, and they will give you a proper amount of time in which you have to reply back to them. Right now Kevin Choi is the manager or head of housing assignment, and you can write email if you want, but if you write too many emails, it does not matter. Just wait for your turn and try to like mail them in case of emergency for sure, but just wait for your chance. And all the best, I wish you all the best. If you have any doubt regarding using this forms or housing at Paderborn, please let me know, and watch the other two videos which are based for like private accommodation. If you want to find any private accommodation, you can use those. Thank you very much, have a very nice day. I wish you all the very best.